Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for clicking on this video. Guys, the way Umselegu sometimes is doing things is just so confusing. Like it's really so confusing. So on the recent episode, as we have all seen, he called his children to introduce Ume Methuli, who is Samgekwela's first child. So the children were just there to see their little sister, and all of that. And then he wanted to give Umpilo the child, just so that they can hold the child and just play with the child. But Umpilo said she can't hold the baby because she has flu. She doesn't wanna, you know, give the child a flu. And then he started saying things like people were influenced, that they must reject their child. He started accusing Umpilo Uguti. She was in a conversation with Umakumalo. Makumalo was telling Umpilo to reject the child. Like, I don't know. I really don't know. Hey, when someone is on a call and then they go to take that call privately, all of a sudden it's Makumalo. Yeah, Makumalo is the one that was doing this. And now people are coming for Umpilo on social media. People were just saying, no, girl, what you did is really not okay. Someone commented and said, Ingani aina cala we endle. But luckily for Umpilo, she has Umakumalo on her side. Always. Makumalo is always on her side, and I love that for her. She was also there in the comment section defending Umpilo one way, because we all know how social media can be. She commented and said, Pumala Dimoni, Umakumalo, as she was defending Umpilo when people were saying, Guti, Ingani aina cala. Why are you doing this to a poor child? The child did nothing. And then someone also commented and said, I'm so disappointed in you. Why would you act like that? Kumet unenhliziyo embi silungisa. Makumalo and then commented and said, Sibonga ukuthi nje wena unenhliziyo enhle, uzomsiza alungise njengoba ufisa. That was Umakumalo also defending Umpilo in Mpilo's comment section, because people just went to her comment section, Sana, and they were throwing stones at her. And I just feel like, okay, we were all watching the show. You could hear from her voice that she has flu. Okay, not that I'm justifying that she didn't want to hold the child. Maybe she was just supposed to just maybe 2 seconds, hold the child and then pass the child to others there, instead of not holding the child like vele at all. Because now Makumalo is catching strays. Gutiwa Makumalo is the one that influenced Mpilo not to hold the child. Mpilo got a call, Guti, hey, when reject that child, reject the child. Like, make it make sense. And I feel like Musamseleku has something against Mpilo. I really don't know what it is, but I feel like she has something against Mpilo, you know because this season, nje when the season was starting, he was saying things like Umpilo must have children for Umakumalo. Like, make it make sense. And then when Umpilo refused, it was a big deal, saying that Umpilo na is this and that. And then there's an episode, I think it's episode 27, if I'm not mistaken, where Khumalo was asking Musamsele ukuthi, can we please do the ceremony for Umpilontle? Let's do this. I don't know which ceremony is it, but there's a ceremony that needs to be done for Umpilo. And then Musamsele was like, I'm not going to be doing that ceremony because me and you are not okay. Like, okay, if Musamsele and Makumalo are not okay, how is it Mpilo's problem? How is it a problem for her because she needs to have the ceremony and just move on with her life? Mpilo was punished for that also. And then Musamseleku said words like, "Ukuthi, okay, because wena Makumalo, you think you know too much, you will do that ceremony without me. How? Kanjani? Because you are Mpilo Ntle's father, you are supposed to be doing the ceremony. Like, kuningi shem. It's really not nice. I feel for her. Like I really feel for her now. At this point, I wonder what umenzeni umseleku, for him to be treating her like this. I really don't know. And he is also saying things like me and you are not okay. Shoguma Kumalo saying that Bona they are not okay, but Umpilontle is not even fighting for him. Umpilontle is just not trying to convince Umakumalo to fix things with Umseleko. How is it Umpilontle's problem that they are not okay? Like Umpilontle, how is it her problem? When they met, Umpilontle was not there. Now it's her problem that they are not okay. Hey, mm-mm.